In Summerlin, Nevada, the weather changes fast, and your home needs to keep up. Too hot in the summer? Too cold in the winter? We get it. And we've got your solution. At Honest HVAC Installation and Repair, Way Cool, we specialize in full-service heating and cooling solutions, right here in your neighborhood. From AC repairs and installs to furnace maintenance and heat pump upgrades, we keep your home comfortable, year-round. We're fast, reliable, and true to our name. No gimmicks. No pressure. Just honest work at honest prices. Whether it's a quick tune-up or a total system replacement, we'll walk you through every step, with no surprises. Call Honest HVAC Installation and Repair, Way Cool today for reliable heating and cooling services in Summerlin, Nevada. How often should I service my HVAC system in Summerlin? At least twice a year. AC maintenance in the spring and heating system service in the fall helps ensure peak efficiency year-round. What are common signs my HVAC system needs repair? Symptoms include unusual noises, weak airflow, inconsistent temperatures, bad odors, rising energy bills, and frequent cycling. How can I improve indoor air quality in Summerlin homes? Solutions include high-efficiency air filters, UV air purifiers, whole home humidifiers, and routine duct cleaning. Where is Honest HVAC Installation and Repair, Way Cool? We are located at 500 North Rainbow Boulevard, Suite 101B33, Las Vegas, Nevada 89107. Our phone number is 725-215-6738. Visit our website, www.honesthvaccompany.com/north-rainbow-summerlin-ac-installation-repair.